Hello guys, welcome to Jerry's Garden. In today's video I will show you how to grow tomatoes from seeds. Take a tomato and cut it into half. Then take out the seeds. Now here you can dry them in the sun and then sow them or directly sow them. I am sowing them directly. First I will prepare the seedlings in this small pot. The potting mix contains 50% normal garden soil, 20% compost, and 30% coco peat. The seedlings are ready in 10 days. Now it's time to transplant them into a bigger pot. To get more fruit on the plants, plant the seedlings a little deep, at least 2 inches above the roots. This will help the plant grow more roots and develop more fruit. After 6 days, the tomato plants have started to flower. The growth is very fast. It is because of fertile soil and more root development of the plants. Now another most important process is the pollination process. To get more fruit, you need to make sure the flowers are well pollinated. The bees can pollinate them or you can self-pollinate them by shaking the branches. After pollination, the flowers will start turning into fruit in a few days. At this stage, take any natural fertilizer and mix it in the soil, because to develop the fruit, plants need more nutrition and energy. After 38 days, the tomatoes are ripe and ready to be harvested. Thanks for watching. It takes a lot of hard work to make these videos, so kindly subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. Until next time.